We'd like to take a second and thank our sponsors at stevesalfa.com. He makes everything from the World Series of Poker bracelets to the finest high-quality firearms-related jewelry on the market. Again, check him out at stevesalfa.com.
Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today's review, shoot, and rate is on what?
Today we're going to do the SIG P220.
Excellent.
With a barrel length on this 220 coming in at 4.4 inches, the overall is going to be 7.7 inches.
Weight's going to roll in right around 30 ounces or so, just a tad bit over. Magazine capacity with some of the mags is going to be right there at 8+1, of course, in the pipe. And MSRP is going to be around $1087. However, you can find it out at stores, often, sometimes just a little over $800. Just depends on which store you're at.
All right, Steve, after shooting that one, let's hear your thoughts.
You know, the first thing I want to mention is we failed to mention it when we were talking about it earlier. The SIG 220 does come in a double action, single action. So it has a traditional double action pull. This is a hammer fired as opposed to a striker fire. The Legion series offers it in a single action only. So it's available in two different configurations. I happen to love the SIG 220. I really like this one. This is one of my personal firearms, and it has a short trigger installed. So basically what that means is not just a short reset, but the trigger itself doesn't stick out as far, so it's a shorter reach. It's accurate. I happen to know this particular gun it's capable of shooting one whole groups. So I'm very partial to this gun. Having said that, I think SIG has a high price point on it. They do command a good high price point because they have such a good reputation. It shoots smooth, the recoil is very manageable. On a 1 to 5 scale relative to the price, if price weren't a consideration as a 45, I would just give it probably a 5, but we have to take price into consideration on these. And so I'm probably gonna give it, I'm probably between a 3.5 and a 4. I'll go ahead and nudge it up to the 4 for this, but I think it's a great gun. I do think they are slightly priced themselves out of the market.
I'll be right there with you. All in all, another 45 that we've done. It's really not bad. Recoil's not bad. Grip is nice. Trigger's good. It really is not that bad for me being a female in smaller hands. Shooting wise, everyone's different, but I'm gonna be right there at 3.5. Price wise, maybe a little high, but SIGs are really good guns.
Absolutely.
They do have that reputation, but I'm gonna be right there with you about 3.5. For those who are new to our channel but like our series that we're doing, there's a bell underneath the screen. Tap that for notifications, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Thanks guys, take care.
I'm out this bitch. Cut.
She said bitch.